Alright, so I've got both my 3D printers running next to each other, so I thought I'd take this as an opportunity to compare them. So on the left we have the Ender 3 V2, and on the right we have the Ender 3 Pro with a silent stepper motherboard. The V2 comes stock with the silent stepper drivers. So here's the Ender 3 Pro at standby, and this is the Ender 3 V2 at standby. So I looked underneath the machine and I noticed that the sound coming from the unit's power supply is a lot louder. So if I cover this up, you can see it gets a lot quieter. But that thing's just howling, sucking air into it, making a lot of noise. If we compare that to the Ender 3 Pro, the difference is night and day. This one's power supply fan isn't even spinning. And it's not broken, it spins up when it needs additional current. But it stays a lot cooler with this vertical mounting. So despite having the same build area, the newer Ender 3 V2 is bigger in all three dimensions. Since the Ender 3 V2 has this board sticking completely off the side, it's wider by a full inch. With the power supply sticking out of the back, it makes it 3 inches longer than the Ender 3 Pro. And it's also even a little bit taller. So if you're wondering which of these two machines to get, the Ender 3 Pro with the silent driver board was about the same price as the Ender 3 V2. I think you're getting a better value with Ender 3 Pro. You're also getting a quieter machine that's a little bit smaller and easier to work with.